saw their tumors shrink versus an AI. Diarrhea is common, may be severe, or cause...
This is a tornado watch message. This is a test message. The National Weather Service has issued tornado watch number 9999, effective until 11 a.m. This watch includes the following counties in Nebraska: Adams, Buffalo, Clay, Fillmore, Hall, Hamilton, Howard, Merrick, Nance, Polk, Sherman, and York. Repeating, this a test. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is a test message. Do not take action based on this message. Repeating, tornado watch number 9999 has been issued until 11 a.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Adams, Buffalo, Clay, Fillmore, Hall, Hamilton, Howard, Merrick, Nance, Polk, Sherman, and York.